Hello, this is Jack here from the BLOWNFUSES Team 7045 with our video on outreach at Parcells Middle School, Holiday Bazaar. We sold everything from these chips, pins, water, and pop from our 2 carts. We also had a refilling station where we could put everything in whenever we were running low on anything that we needed. And here we are. This is one of the main gyms that the vendors were at. Oh, and then there's that guy who wanted to be in the video. Here you can see both of our carts ready, and we're in the hallway that connects all of our amazing vendors. Now we're in the time-lapse portion of our video, and I'd like to bring up our total profit. We made $210. Now that's just over 2/3 of the way to a new expansion hub that we're planning to get. The best part is, we were able to raise awareness for FRC Robotics, raise a lot of money, and also have a lot of fun at the same time. This being a holiday bazaar reminds me that it is almost the end of the year. It is almost 2020. 2020 will be an even better year for the BLOWNFUSES because of the awareness we spread and the money that we were able to make. We hope that you are just as excited as we are for next year. We shouldn't worry too much about next year when there's a little bit left of this year, though. If you're watching it around when it came out, there's less than 2 weeks till Fusemas, our version of Christmas. So let me formally wish you Merry Early Fusemas! And also, since FRC and Star Wars are kind of partners, let me also wish you a Happy Life Day. I just had to include that. In all seriousness though, I hope you enjoyed. And also, stay tuned for our next video either on Tuesday or Wednesday.